welcome into the video. I'm doing this intro with the camera around because this is such a gorgeous view. We are at Secrets Moxche here in the Riviera Maya. The building on my right is Secrets Moxche, and then Impressions by Secrets is over on the left, is a more exclusive area. We're going to see some of both here, but welcome into the channel. Enjoy the view here for just a minute. Make sure you hit subscribe and the notification bell, and let's go see Secrets Moxche. We're starting off in the Market Cafe, which is the main buffet here at Secrets Moxche. Beautiful venue, all the windows out towards the ocean. Really a great buffet with a great view here. Okay, so we came from the buffet over here. We've walked back across the lobby and headed into the other side. We're going to head up to the elevators and look at a couple more venues. So we'll show you what else we got. Here is the Japanese restaurant. There are 14 restaurants here on property. 3 of them are exclusive to the Impressions, which is the upgraded part of the hotel. No reservations needed in here. It looks out onto that awesome lagoon pool. I think the light may be keeping you from seeing it right now. Beautiful venue. Here is the lagoon pool. It's got sand and beach chairs and things like that. Awesome setting here. Can't get over how cool this is. And all of these covers, umbrellas, everything here is first come, first served in the morning. So don't need to pre-reserve seats or anything like that. All right, we've come out of the lagoon pool. There's a little shop here, sunglasses, jewelry, and we are heading up into the Secrets Moxche side of the resort. There's a coffee shop here straight ahead, and we'll see what else we see. The coffee shop here is a 24/7 venue. Got seating inside and also some great tables here outside. All right, we're going into a preferred club Swimout room here at Secrets Moxche. And I got people in here with me, so I'll just give you some B-roll and show you around a little bit. So I'm on the balcony. Did just want to mention what's great about these preferred club Swimout rooms is your Swimout portion is completely private. It's not connecting. You're not visibly connected to the next room. A lot of privacy, just a lot of privacy in these Swimout areas, which I think is really, really great. All right, so this one is a preferred club Oceanfront. Beautiful room. Alright, so just popping in, here's the gorgeous view. Out to the ocean. This is an oceanfront room. Alright, heading out to look at some of the pool areas here at Moxche. 12 different pools on property. Incredible pool areas here at Secrets Moxche. We've come across the other side. I think we're going to go into the Impressions building, which is the other side of this resort. Impressions guests get to use all of the facilities and restaurants at Moxche, but Moxche guests are not able to use Impressions. Impressions is the upgraded side of the resort. It is butler service from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. So we'll show you in a little bit of the Impressions side. So this walkway came from the lobby if you weren't coming the way we did, and then we're going to head on here into Impressions. Impressions side again, and I'm going to show you a Swimout room here on the first floor. Now here is the main pool for the Impression side, exclusive to those guests. So this is the incredible Impressions private pool area, and all of these bed areas are first come, first serve, like everything else we've seen so far. So an awesome inclusion here from the Impressions building, this private pool deck. And I think we're going to head in and see one of the restaurants. Going to Teodoro. Beautiful views out of this restaurant. So this is a Mexican and kind of French fusion restaurant with, again, just incredible views. Not sure how great you can see it out the front there because of the wind, or because of the light, but beautiful views. Already got dinner on the stove. This is a reservation restaurant, 7-course meal explained by the chef, a super high-end experience. If you're a Moxche guest, you can make reservations to come do this, but it is $250 per person. But again, reservations are required here. So this is the Seaside, another Impressions restaurant.
This is your restaurant.
You do have an outdoor seating area and then the restaurant inside here. And this is a breakfast, lunch, and dinner spot for Impressions guests. Okay, so our final stop here, I believe, is Cielo, which is the rooftop here at the Impression side.
3 o'clock.
This area is another private pool and dining venue for Impressions guests. Just an incredible amount of inclusions for that upgraded Impressions experience. One thing to note, we can see back across to the Moxche rooms, and I don't think I have mentioned it yet, but even the standard lowest level rooms all have a whirlpool tub on the patio. So a nice inclusion at every level. So we do have shows here at Secrets Moxche every night. And then we're going into the pharmacy and the Secret Gypsy Club. So the Gypsy Club is for both properties, Impressions and Secrets Moxche. No reservation needed, you just need to know the password to get in through the pharmacy. But I think the staff should be able to help you figure out what that is. All of the drinks are already included on your all-inclusive package, so nothing to worry about there. Let's just say that's a really cool experience there in the Gypsy Club, something this resort does to make a cool experience. But thanks so much for joining us on our walk around of Secrets Moxche and Impressions by Secrets here at this property. What a beautiful place it is. Our agents at Big Dreams Travel would love to help you find the perfect place to vacation. You can visit us at www.bigdreamstravelusa.com. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for joining us.